Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, as you can see here. And in this video is going to be an unboxing and a review of the SoundPeats TrueCapsule 2 true wireless earbuds. Now, the price, they're unavailable on Amazon, but I did pick these up from eBay. SoundPeats has a seller page. So if you go to eBay and type in seller : SoundPeats, it should come up. Now, I got these for $39.99. My opinion, I think I paid too much, but it is what it is. Now, the features, you're getting stereo mono mode, you're getting Bluetooth 5.0, that's SPC on iOS, AAC on Android, and you get Qualcomm aptX. You get 40 hours of total playtime. You get in-ear detection. You get IPX5 water and dust resistant. You get 4 mics with CVC 8.0 noise reduction for phone calls, full touch controls, and you also have 6mm dynamic drivers inside the buds. Now let me go ahead and do a little mini unboxing. Take off the sleeve. Pull back the flap, and here are the earbuds right here. It's a pretty bulky case, but you can stand it up. Let me do that right now. I'm gonna take this styrofoam out and get some information about charging tips, about how you should charge, and logo update. These earbuds are a little old. I think these came out maybe beginning of 2020, maybe late 2019. You also get a user manual, multiple languages, good reading. You also get this little box on the side of it. You get this out. You get a bag with the USB Type-C cable. So I didn't even open this up. So you're getting USB-A, the USB Type-C charging cable, and you're getting your standard large and small silicone tips inside. Let me see. Should be 3 sets in here. You're about to see why there's 3 sets. Come on out. Come on. There. Yep, 3 sets. Small, medium, large. The reason why it's small, medium, and large is because on the earbuds themselves, I'm using the Spin Fits. These are the large CP360s. You look at the buds themselves, they're a stem style shape, or the ergonomic shape. You look right here, you can see that that is the optical sensor. And when you put them in your ears, they'll play a little tune. Now on the front of the buds, you have this rounded shield logo or SoundPeats. Looks good. I like the way these look. That's nice. They're made out of plastic, but they don't feel that cheap. Now you turn over on the bottom, you get the charging pins, and you can also see that these are microphone. And there's a microphone right there as well. Case is made out of matte plastic. Got another rounded shield logo on the front of the case. On the bottom, you got your USB Type-C charging port. And the lid, yeah, it's kind of flimsy. It's loosey-goosey, flaps around. The buds, they fit comfortably in the ears, especially with Spin Fit. All you gotta do is just put them in and lock them in place. Not going in anywhere. And that's with the stock tips as well. Now, I mentioned CVC, or clear voice capture, for noise reduction on phone calls. So let me give you a call quality sample right now. CVC is what it would sound like if you were on a phone call using the SoundPeats TrueCapsule 2 true wireless earbuds in a quiet environment. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. SoundPeats. Now, let's go through the controls. Now, you have the standard SoundPeats controls, 4 options, 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, long press. Now on the left earbud, 1 tap is volume down, On the right, 1 tap is volume up. 2 taps on the left and the right earbud, you can pause and play music, or you can answer a phone call. 3 taps on the left or the right earbud, you can activate your voice assistant and you can decline a phone call. Long press on the left earbud, previous track. Long press on the right, next track. Now the battery life. Battery life is pretty impressive. You're getting 8 hours on a single charge. You're getting 32 additional hours with the case. You're also getting quick charge because of USB Type-C. So that's 10 minutes of quick charge will give you a 1 hour of playtime. The battery in the case is 600 milliamps. And the batteries in the earbuds are 55 milliamps. So pretty good battery. Now, as far as the sound quality goes, it's the same as all the SoundPeats earbuds that I've reviewed on my channel. They have a nice warm sound, a nice, not too dark, but just warm, you know, emphasized bass, neutral mids, and, you know, slight treble. There's good detail, but they kind of roll off a little bit. You know, rock, rap, R&B, pop music. You know, most music genres will sound good with these. And they also get pretty loud. And I like that you're able to control these, because these have full touch controls, without using your phone. And you also got the in-ear detection right here, the little optical sensors. They work pretty decent. Although sometimes when I take these out of my ears and have to put them back in, I have to press 2 taps to pause, to play pause the music. So comparisons. Well, I can kind of see why these aren't on Amazon, because they kind of just fade into the background. You know, if you follow SoundPeats on Instagram, the 4 earbuds that they're really pushing right now are the SoundPeats H1, the SoundPeats Sonics, the SoundPeats True Air 2, and of course, my personal favorite, the SoundPeats T2. These are just okay. I mean, they're all right. I mean, you got full touch controls, just like on all of the others. You know, they get plenty loud enough, but they're just meh. So in conclusion, yeah, I'd skip these altogether. I wouldn't go on eBay and pay nearly $40 with taxes included just to get these from China, because you're gonna be sitting there holding balloons for like a month, because that's how long I had to wait. So that concludes this video, this review. The SoundPeats Chronicles ends for now, but I got more. So just to show you all the earbuds I got, that's the T2, True Engine 3 SC, SoundPeats Mac, True Free 2, SoundPeats Sonic. Hold up, I got another. Oh, got some more. Hold on. SoundPeats Sonic Pro, True Air 2, and True Air 2 Plus. That's all my SoundPeats buds. Now I'm going to skip the True Wings and the True Dots, and I'm going to move forward with the big dogs, the H1s. I will be getting those maybe sometime next week. But this is it for the SoundPeats Chronicles for right now. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share. It for the SoundPeats Chronicles for